I know how to get 100,000 subscribers on YouTube because I have achieved it, and the purpose of this video is to help you to achieve the same. I'm not going to repeat the same old boring stuff that everybody else is telling you, because I'm going to reveal to you 3 secrets that will help you to succeed on YouTube. I try to make this video as helpful as possible, but if you want to learn from me step by step, even click by click, how to build a successful YouTube channel, I will have an entire program that you can find in the link in the description. If you find this video helpful, I'm 100% sure that you will enjoy my YouTube program as well. You probably already know all these kind of things, like you need to be consistent, you need to publish videos, you need to do dabba, like everybody else is telling them. But what they are not telling you is to focus on your viewers. And that's the first secret, because many YouTubers, they tell that
I just want to create videos for myself. I just want to create nice videos that I enjoy creating.
yes, that may be nice for you, but you will not get 100,000 subscribers, or you will not reach the millions of subscribers with that. I've seen so many YouTubers who say, I just want to create videos for myself that I enjoy doing. And then a couple of months later, a couple of years later, they quit because they don't enjoy the process anymore. They are not doing it for others. They are not doing it for their viewers. Or you think about Mr. Beast, one of the biggest YouTubers in the world. In the beginning, he was just creating videos that he enjoyed. He was playing Minecraft, and he might have probably played video games like for hours and hours and hours, and he enjoys doing that. It's like he would create videos for himself, but he didn't get almost any subscribers. He got maybe hundreds, maybe thousands. But when he started creating videos for his viewers, he started thinking, what do my viewers want to see? He started getting millions of subscribers. So I think it's a good example of focusing on what your viewers want to see instead of what you just want to create for yourself. I remember a couple of years ago I was in Chiang Mai. There was a successful YouTuber with more than 200,000 subscribers, and she told also that when you start a YouTube channel, you need to put your own ego away. You need to focus on what your viewers want to see if you want to grow big. I guess that she has nowadays like 1 million subscribers or something like that, because already a couple of years ago she had 200,000 subscribers. So when you publish your videos, and when I publish my own videos, I always analyze different things. For example, what kind of reaction this video gets, how many views, how many subscribers do I get from this video. I will show you in a moment how you can see that from YouTube analytics. How many likes, how many comments, what kind of, do people like this video, what does my audience say, that all this kind of feedback, so I know what I will create in the future. But of course, views, likes and comments, they are not the only metrics. Also, how much money does your video generate, or what kind of other results? Did you get some email subscribers? Did you get leads to your business? So there are different metrics how you can measure, did your video do well? Because one video may get small amount of views, but it may generate you money, and it may really help people. I have this one video that got like 1,400 views in the first 6 months, and it generated like $600. So if you create a video that gets 1,400 views, you're like, it's not much. But if you make $0 out of that, and you help a lot of people with that, and you help all those viewers, I think that's a good result, right? So when you publish videos, analyze and ask these 2 things. What kind of videos do well? What kind of videos don't do well? And videos that don't do well, they get, for example, negative feedback, not many views, not many likes, and all this kind of like bad engagement. Then videos that do well, they make money, they help people, positive feedback, likes, comments, so on and so forth. However, sometimes there may be a challenge with that, because what people want to see and what people need to see might be 2 different things. I have noticed this in my own industry, which is making money online, when I help people to earn money online, and it also applies to many other industries. Because in my industry, what my followers and what many people want to see is that apps and websites that pay easy money fast. That's what they want to see. But I think what they really need is to have a long-term stable income that will pay for all the living cost, rent, food, family, vacation, whatever. They need the long-term stable income that pays for all their life, and they can become financially independent. I think that's basically what most people need. But they want some fast and income apps that are easy to do, so they can lay on the sofa. So yes, I provide what people want. Those easy money apps. I saw a lot of easy money websites because people want to see this. For example, in one of my previous videos, I had this fastest way to make money online, get paid today. I showed several apps where my viewers can get paid immediately today. They can receive the money in their account within the same day. And if you want to get money immediately, you can go and use those apps. They pay you even today. But then I also, in the end of this video, I showed them what people need. So I gave an idea how they can make a life-changing income with affiliate marketing, like I and thousands of other people in the world world have done, because this will pay for my viewers living costs, rent, food, family, everything that they need basically, even for the rest of their lives. So I think that's what people need, but I also provided what people want. Or you can think the same into, let's say, weight loss industry. What people want, they want easy, fast solutions, so they will, let's say, lose like 10 kilos like this, and without making any sacrifices. Something like this, very easy and fast. People want this. So you may give them some fast and easy solutions. For example, go walking and feel good about yourself. You are doing something. I don't know, that can be something easy and fast. But then give also what people need. For example, do this every day consistently for 1 month or whatever. Like, try to provide both. That's of course the best. What people want, so you get more views, and also what people need, so you can provide them long-term solutions and help them consistently. Because I know if you just give people what they want, let's say easy money apps, fast money apps, I provide them, but then I think that my viewers wouldn't benefit the most. Like, if they really want to pay for all the things that they need in their life, they need to have some real money, like a lot of money, instead of just some pocket money. So I think it's always important to ask those two questions. What kinds of videos does my audience want to see? And then the second question is, what kinds of videos would my audience need to see? Is it the same? Is it different? Think about it for yourself. When your audience realizes that you care about their success, they want to subscribe, they want to recommend your channel to others, and you will build this long-term success instead of this come and go success that you get a lot of views and then people realize that it doesn't last. Build this long-term success by providing what people need. Then second secret is that people often say that you need to be consistent. Yeah, then people say you need to have high quality videos, focus on quality. But the secret is that high quality is really subjective. You publish a lot of videos and find out what is high quality for your audience. Because let me show you this chart. This is a chart analyzed of 3 million YouTube channels, actually more than 3 million. And they analyzed how many videos on average each kind of YouTube channels do have. For example, channels that have between 1,000 and 10,000 subscribers, they have on average more than 150 videos. If you want to have, let's say, more than 100,000 videos, you need to have on average more than 1,100 videos according to this chart. If you want to have more than 1 million subscribers, on average it takes 3,800 videos. You understand, the more videos you publish, the higher your chances of success. Think of this in the same way like coinflip. Every single time when you publish a video, it increases your success of getting more views, becoming viral. It's like if you are doing a coin flip, the first time for getting heads is 50% odds. If you do it twice, the chances of getting heads at least once is 75%. Then it's 87.5%. And the more you do it, always it gets closer to 100. Soon your chances of getting that head is 90.9999999%. In other words, you will be almost guaranteed to succeed. And same goes with YouTube. If you keep on publishing videos, it's like doing this coin flip over and over again and trying to reach that heads, like trying to get that success. Every single video that you publish, you are increasing your odds of success. That's why you see that big channels, they have a lot of videos, because that's how they are increasing their chances of success. They get more views, more exposure, more chances of people sharing their videos, more chances of getting virals, and it all the time increases their chances of success. The most important part of your YouTube business is publishing videos. It's not planning, it's not researching, it's not editing. That's not the most important. The most important part is when you click publish and people can see your video. Then people say that, yeah, but quality is more important than quantity. Maybe. But again, quality is very subjective. Somebody may say that this kind of video is very high quality, but the other one says this kind of is high quality. I have videos that I thought these are really bad quality, and they got like tens of thousands, even some of them like more than 100,000 views. So it's really subjective. What I think is high quality, it's oftentimes different than what my viewers think is high quality. But I have noticed there are a couple of things that may increase the quality of your videos. For example, more planning, so you plan your videos a little bit more. Then a great intro. Introduction is the most important part of your video. Let's say first 30 seconds or first 15 seconds. That's really important. Then better equipment, if you have better camera, microphone, or better editing. I have a great editor, so that obviously increases the quality of my videos. And I have noticed that when I put a little bit of more effort on my videos, they get better YouTube metrics on average. So more views, more subscribers, more everything. But of course, not always. So as I told you, quality, it's really subjective. You never know for 100% sure what your viewer will think as a high quality. So I think the most sure way is to just publish a lot, and when you publish a lot, YouTube analytics will show you what your audience appreciates. So the third secret is that you analyze what works, and I will show you now some real life examples from YouTube analytics how you can do this to get more subscribers, more views, more money, help more people, and all the other good stuff. So many people just publish videos and then they come to me, hey,
I published videos, but I didn't get the results that I wanted.
well, then my question is, have you analyzed what works? Because it's wonderful that you have published the videos. That's the most important thing. But as important is also analyze what works. So you come into your YouTube channel and you start looking at different metrics here in the YouTube analytics specifically. But I will just give you quick examples so you understand what I mean. So here you can see a couple of videos that I have published recently. Here I will see the views. So what kind of videos are getting the most views? For example, this one, the fastest way to make money online, get paid today. As you can see, it got more than 6,000 views pretty fast, and more than 90% of the people are liking it. It's getting more comments than most of these other videos because my audience, they want to see how to make money fast. So that is of course great. Then for example, this one, it didn't get so many views. It got like more than 500 views, but much less than the other video. So I can confirm that this is not what my audience wants to see so much, even though it might be what they need to see, because they need to learn how to make money on these some platforms, or hear how they can earn and save money on this platform. So these videos is not getting so many views, even though it might be what people need to see. I need to show them what people want to see. So how to get paid fast. So for example, I might get more views for this video, for example, by putting the article how to get money fast by saving, something like this, like trying to give what people want but also what they need, the both things at the same time. Or here for example, shrink me that you can see it getting more views than the other ones. So okay, first you can analyze the views, but let's say for example 2 videos that I published recently that got around 2,000 views within the first week. Then we can analyze how many people subscribe through this video. For example, from CryptoTab video you can see that there is 1 subscriber more within the first week. Of course you should do this after a longer time, so when these videos have been here for example 3 months, then you can get the better. But let's say this starts giving a little bit of idea from the initial reaction. This one got around 3 subscribers more. Okay, so from that this one got more, but having 2 subscriber difference, it's not significant. We should be able to watch this after a couple of months, because many videos, for example this like CryptoTab, I expect that it will keep on getting more and more views. It may take off even after a while. So but I just want to show you examples. Then you can take a look at different metrics such as impression and click-through rate. This is also interesting. Which one is getting more clicks? This one, make money while you sleep. Maybe it may be because there is a beautiful woman instead of just me, unlike in this. So this beautiful woman is getting more clicks, and also I think the thumbnail is more simple than this one, so this might be more attention grabbing. That's why it's a little bit more clicks. However, again, the difference is not big, because sometimes you may see much bigger difference. For example, some videos have more than 10% click-through rate. So you can start analyzing these different things. Then you can take a look at likes. How many of your audience are liking these videos? Again, this is just one of many metrics. Here you can see more than 90% like almost all of my videos, but this one likes even more. You can see it's around 95% because I saw how people can make money while they sleep. So in this case, I would say that people liked this video a little bit more. Passive income videos to make money while you sleep. Here in this CryptoTab, also my audience like, because this gives them free money, yes, but this seems to be a little bit like they like a little bit more. So actually, I could also change the title for CryptoTab videos in the future, make money while you sleep, because this is a mobile application that makes money while you sleep. So this is how you can start analyzing what kind of titles work, what kind of thumbnails work, what kind of videos get more likes, and then also other metrics. Let's go for example back to the overview. When you scroll down, you can see how long people stick to this video. So for example, these people have been dropping pretty fast here in the intro, and I think because the quality is not the highest one in this one, I must admit. It delivers the message, so yes, people can earn money with CryptoTab. I give lots of tips and ideas, but as you can see, the quality is not the highest one. So if I would have, for example, a better intro or something, chapters for example, it might give a better. This one, let's say, I think the audience retention is 25% viewed, so that is better because this is longer video, but the view duration is only 2.2 because this is shorter video. So I would say this is not so good, but if we compare these two metrics, I would say that CryptoTab video is a slight winner because the watch time is a little bit higher. But again, you would want to aim for something bigger. These are not really successful videos comparing to, for example, fastest way to make money online that has better metrics. So this is how you can start analyzing your analytics and your audience. What is working, what is not working. And then you can create better videos in the future to get more views, more subscribers, more impact, more money, more everything. So this was a quick overview how you can get that 100,000 subscribers. If you want to learn step by step, even click by click, how to build a YouTube channel and get more than 100,000 subscribers, sign up to my program through the link in the description. I'm 110% sure that I will help many people who join my program to get more than 100,000 subscribers, and I wish that you are one of them who become successful. So if you enjoyed the tips in this video, you are going to love my program because we are going to go even more in detail into all of these things. But as a quick conclusion, publish a lot of videos, analyze what works and improve constantly, and always focus on your viewers. Create videos for your viewers and not just for yourself. See you in my program immediately through the link in the description. I will love to help you to create a successful YouTube channel.